Updating your business profile on Arc Financial is essential to ensure that your information is current and accurate. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Arc Financial website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready for a smooth login process. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile Settings section. This is usually found in the account menu or dashboard where you can manage your business information. Step 3. Edit business information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sesort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review changes. After making your edits, carefully review all changes to ensure accuracy. Double check for any typos or incorrect information that may affect your business profile. Step 5. Save changes. Once you are satisfied with the updates, click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your business profile has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can keep your business profile on Arc Financial up to date and ensure that clients and partners have access to the correct information.